G'day guys, Robert here from Shermac. Today we're going to give you a virtual demonstration of the MTS1500-2, the new style 2-ton service trailer. So one of the main changes we've done to the MTS1500-2 is we've moved the compressor out of the inside of the trailer to this compartment on the front. The main reason we've done this is to keep the noise out of the trailer. Inside the trailer it really drummed and was quite noisy. Here it's a lot quieter. It also makes it a lot easier to maintain. So you can flip this cover over very easily. You've got full access to the engine, fuel tank, your batteries in here, and your exhaust pipe is plumbed to the ground, so it keeps the smoke away from the operator. So inside the trailer, you've got all your tanks. They're a rotor-molded poly tank system, and they can be configured from 100 litre up to 600 litres. You can get a total of 1,500 litres in this trailer, so they can be configured in whatever works best for you within that limitations. Got your each tank is fitted with a pump and a hose reel. It's got an optional filter, and the delivery guns can be fitted with meters, or preset meters if you like. Your waste oil tank has got this diaphragm, Graco double diaphragm pump, so you can suck the oil out of the machine you're servicing, and then you can reverse this valve and pump it back out through the hose reel into the waste tank at your service facility. The waste tank is also fitted with this filter drain tray. So you put your used filters in there and they'll drain, and that drains directly back into the waste oil tank. At the rear of the trailer, you've got your high and low level tail lights, so this trailer is fully mine spec. It's also fitted with a spare wheel as standard in this cradle, which means you can, one person can quite simply change the spare wheel out, put the new wheel on, put it up without having to have two people to do that. Go around to the left-hand side of the trailer. Again, it's fitted with this full-length gull-wing door, which gives a bit of shade and protection from the rain. Depending on the tank configuration of your trailer, this could be full of tanks. But in this trailer, you've got a bit of room for storage. You can bolt a tool chest in there, or we can provide you with a storage compartment with an adjustable shelf. This trailer is fitted with a diesel-powered pressure washer and a 200-litre water tank. And then there's this area at the front here where your grease pail would go. This trailer doesn't have the grease system on it, but that is an option. As standard, all our trailers are fitted with these strip lights that illuminate the inside of the trailer. They're also fitted with these work lights on the rear, which give a good spread of light out the back for nighttime servicing. You can have an optional fold-up work light pole on the front of the trailer, which gives a good spread of light out here. And it's all controlled by these switches, this little control panel. Another one of the changes we've done to the Dash 2 trailers is we've made the mudguards bolt on, so they often get damaged, and it's a replaceable part off the shelf. They're also coated with this Barmastic stone-proof coating, which means they can take the impact of the rocks from your towing vehicle. Obviously fitted with wheel chocks. This trailer is fully mine spec. Don't go on pretty much any construction site or mine site in Australia. So in summary, this is our MTS1500-2 service trailer. It's the smaller of our two service trailers, and it weighs under 2 tonne when it's full. You can fit a total of 1,500 litres in this trailer, depending on the configuration. It's a fully self-contained service unit with an onboard compressor. It's a great unit for any on-site servicing requirements you may have. Thanks for watching, guys.